Hey guys, Graham Stephan here. Ever wonder about making money online with AI? I was curious too, so I decided to try it. My goal? Make $1,000 in just 1 month. Spoiler alert, I did it. And in this essay, I'm breaking down exactly how I did it. This wasn't about getting rich quick. It was about exploring the power of AI. And let me tell you, AI is a game changer. This experience opened my eyes to a whole new world of opportunity. Now I'm sharing my journey to inspire you to start your own AI hustle. First things first, let's talk tools. These are the AI powerhouses that helped me rake in the cash. First, Jasper. This AI writing assistant is a beast. I used it to create high-quality content for websites and blogs. Next, DALL-E 2, Ideogram, Piclumen, Photor, and Photopea. Needs stunning visuals. DALL-E 2, Leonardo AI, Ideogram, Piclumen, and Photopea are great guys. This AI image generators help me create eye-catching graphics and illustrations. Finally, Grammarly. No one wants sloppy writing. Grammarly polished my content, ensuring it was error-free and professional. These 3 tools formed the backbone of my AI money-making operation. Each one played a crucial role in my success. Now, let's talk strategy. In today's digital age, leveraging AI tools can be a game changer for your business. These tools can help you streamline your workflow, enhance productivity, and ultimately boost your profits. First, I used these AI tools to generate that sweet cash through content creation. AI tools have revolutionized the way we create content. I used Jasper, ChatGPT, or DeepSeek to write blog posts, website content, and even social media captions. This not only saved me time, but also ensured that the content was engaging and well-structured. High-quality content is always in demand, and businesses are willing to pay for it. Next, graphic design became a breeze with the help of AI. The AI image generators helped me create custom graphics and illustrations for clients. These unique designs set my work apart and attracted more clients. From social media posts to website banners, the possibilities were endless. Proofreading and editing were also crucial. Grammarly and Sapling ensured that all my written work was polished and professional. This not only improved the quality of my work, but also built trust with my clients. This helped me attract more clients and command higher rates. Efficiency is key in the freelancing world. By leveraging the power of AI, I was able to offer these services quickly and efficiently, allowing me to handle more projects simultaneously without compromising on quality. This not only increased my productivity, but also maximized my earnings. The integration of AI tools into my workflow has truly transformed my business, turning tools into profits. Overcoming the hurdles, challenges, and solutions. In any journey, whether personal or professional, challenges are inevitable. They test our resolve and push us to grow. Of course, it wasn't all smooth sailing. There were moments of frustration and doubt, times when the path forward seemed unclear. I encountered a few bumps along the way. These obstacles, though daunting, were opportunities in disguise, teaching me resilience and adaptability. AI tools are powerful, but they're not perfect. They can be unpredictable and sometimes require a human touch to refine their output. Sometimes I had to edit and refine the output to meet my standards. This process, though time-consuming, ensured the quality of my work remained high. Initially, finding clients took some effort. I joined freelance platforms, networked online, and reached out to potential clients. I showcased my portfolio to attract potential customers. Building a client base was a gradual process requiring patience and persistence. Juggling multiple clients and projects required careful planning and organization. It was a balancing act that demanded constant attention. I learned to prioritize tasks and manage my time effectively. This skill was crucial in ensuring that deadlines were met and quality was maintained. Despite these challenges, I persevered. Each small victory was a step forward, reinforcing my determination to succeed. I learned to adapt to the limitations of AI, finding ways to leverage its strengths while compensating for its weaknesses. I honed my client acquisition skills, improving my communication and presentation techniques to better connect with potential clients, and I mastered the art of time management, ensuring that every task was completed efficiently and effectively. Through these experiences, I grew both personally and professionally. Your AI adventure awaits. Tips for success. Ready to embark on your own AI money-making journey? The world of artificial intelligence is brimming with potential, and now is the perfect time to dive in. First, always stay curious and keep learning. The AI landscape is constantly evolving, and staying updated will give you a competitive edge. Next, don't be afraid to experiment with different AI tools and find what works best for you. Each tool has its unique strengths, and discovering the right combination can set you apart. Then, showcase your AI-powered skills on freelance platforms, social media, and your own website. Building a strong online presence can attract potential clients and collaborators. Additionally, go the extra mile for your clients, and they'll keep coming back for more. Providing exceptional service can lead to long-term relationships and referrals. The world of AI is vast and full of opportunities. From startups to established companies, everyone is looking for innovative AI solutions. With the right tools, strategies, and mindset, you can achieve your financial goals and unlock your earning potential. Stay focused, be persistent, and never stop exploring new possibilities. So what are you waiting for? Your AI adventure awaits. Embrace the journey and let your creativity and determination guide you to success.